Even though I don't fully believe manifesting an extra $1,000 is possible for me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I really doubt $1,000 is going to manifest for me, I deeply and completely love and honor myself. Even though I can't see how it would even be remotely possible for me to manifest an extra $1,000, I deeply and completely love and respect myself. I have no idea how this would even be possible. How I would be able to manifest an extra $1,000 in cold hard cash in my bank account. I just don't see how it would be possible. I just don't believe it can happen. Sure, maybe it could be possible, but I don't really expect it to happen for me. And I would love an extra $1,000 right now. It would feel so good to have an extra $1,000 in my bank account. And I see all these videos about manifestation and manifesting money. But honestly, none of it seems to work for me. And it's disappointing. But man, would I love an extra $1,000. An extra $1,000 in my bank account. That would feel so good. It would be so nice. It would relieve me of stress. It would help me pay for bills. Maybe it would just help me buy something extra nice for myself. Wow, I would really, really like an extra $1,000. An extra $1,000. I can really start to get behind this, even if I'm a little hesitant. Because it would just feel so great to see that $1,000 in my bank account. And like I said, I have no idea how this would happen. A large part of me doesn't really fully believe it's possible. But I'm willing to see that it could potentially happen. It's within the realm of possibility that maybe a miracle could happen and I could get $1,000. Or maybe I get a raise or bonus or someone wants to sign up for my programs. It's possible. And now that I'm thinking about it, when it comes to manifestation, the how is not my job. Actually, the how is none of my business. The how is the job of the universe. But honestly, I sometimes forget that. All I have to focus on is what I want and why I want it. It's the universe's job for me to get that $1,000. It's the universe's job to deliver it. And there are infinite ways how the $1,000 could manifest into my life. I am open to receiving $1,000 in any way, shape, or form, as long as it's in alignment with me. In cash, sales, gift cards, I'm open to receiving it all. And even though I don't know how this might happen, I trust that the universe will pull through. And I'm excited to see how I manifest this extra $1,000. An extra $1,000 into my bank account. I can see it now. I'm actually starting to get excited for this. And even though there might be a part of me that's telling me not to get too excited yet, I'm allowing myself to feel this way. I'm allowing myself to feel excited. I'm calling in an extra $1,000 in my bank account. It is safe for me to receive this extra $1,000 in my bank account. I'm so excited to see how this $1,000 comes into my form. And I'm so grateful for the extra $1,000. Body, mind, and spirit. All right, squeeze your wrist, take a deep breath in, and release.